Hello everyone, this is Subhash Kotha of CSC Department of Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am here to tell about the SnowPark API. What is SnowPark? The SnowPark is a developer framework provided by Snowflake which is used to write, modify and update data using programming languages like Python, Java or any other languages. If we talk in simple terms, Python and Java are used to retrieve, modify, update, delete the data, and make changes in the data which is stored in the Snowflake data warehouse. If we were talking about why using a Snowflake, as we can see, Snowflake doesn't require any imports of Snowflake data. It just requires the connection of Snowflake to the collab which we are operating. If we are using the internal Python by VS Code, we can directly import using the connection parameters like I had done in the collab, and it runs directly inside the Snowflake, which is very easy as it doesn't require any other installations of any high class frameworks or any websites. Here I will be showing you the Snowflake database. Here see, here I have created a table named employee with EMP ID, name, age, salary, department, high days. I have insert few records in it. See, I will be showing you data. See, this is the table I have created. The table is created in the Snowflake database. The Snowflake database is in the see. See, I have a role. What is my role? It's the account domain, and I'm using the warehouse compute double H. In that warehouse, I am using the Snowflake learning database. See, here is the Snowflake learning database, and in it, I am using the public and the tables. These are the tables I created, and just now I have shown you the employee table. Now I will be using this employee table and making some modifications by using the Python in the Colab. See, i- in the first step, we need to install the Snowflake Snowpark Python in the Colab by using the pip installation Snowflake Snowpark Python command. And see, all the requirements are installed. From it, we need from it we have to define the connection parameters. Now I will be showing the connection parameters. Wait a minute. Connection parameters. Here, by seeing the account which we have, and we will account details, we will be getting all the account details of the connections. See, this is in in this only three are main, like the account identifier, this one, the code, and the username and the password. These three are main for connecting parameters. See, this is the account, this is the user, and this is the password. For extra details, we have keep the role warehouse status base schema. We can directly import using the config file. This is details by using the warehouse, computable H, and using the database, Snowflake learning and public, and password. See, these are the details I have copied and pasted directly through here. And password is your account password. And through this, we can directly connect it to the Snowpark. And from here, we will be seeing the operations that are allowed through Snowpark. First, through Snowpark, we can create a session, and and in here we have important session. What is session? A session is a way to way to establish a connection between the client and the database. See here I have used the connection parameters. These are the parameters through which it creates a connection by using the create connection between this Colab I'm running and the Snowflake. See, I have written the print statement so that if the session is successfully created, it will be showing like this session dot session. This is the session details. And to see, I am using the table employee which I have created you. See, as now this employee table will be giving an output as here. See, this is the employee table which we have created. Yeah. Now, as you can see that has been a connection established and the data has been successfully retrieved from the Snowflake to Colab. And here, and in the in the further, I will be telling you about the filter and sort operations. Here, I have imported the call. The call is used to retrieve data from the column by giving the column name. Like here, see, transform df. I have created a data frame transform df where I have used the df filter where I have given df dot filter and of column of age. Here I have taken the column age and if the call and the data will be filtered if the age column value is greater than 30 and the data will be sorted based on the age which have retrieved in descending order. The dot show command is used to print the data frame. See, these are the six records, but there are only three records which are above 30. There are sample, Bob, and Jane, which are arranged in the descending order. This is the sort operation, and this is the filter operation. Mm. Now, uh, there is another operation. By using Python, we can not only retrieve data, but we can also add data and delete data. Here, I will be adding a new column name experienced where the column tells the person who is more experienced. If the experience is he is more experienced, you will be telling veteran, and he is having an experience of less than 10 years is experience. If he is having a less than 5 years, it will be new. From Snowflake functions, I have imported UDF. Wait, UDF. UDF means user defined function. This is used to create a function by using SQL expressions. And here I have imported some data types like string type and data type before giving so that the return type and input type in the UDF function can be manually defined. See UDF at UDF I have created at UDF and if we are using no only one section this is not required the session is equal to session. Here I have run the session multiple of times we have created a multiple sessions. So I have defined session is equal to session and return type and input types which will be giving input and taking output. Here I have defined the normal code, Python code of experience function. Holiday, first it gives the today and year of the high date by my today minus high date month of dates. Today minus high date gives the total number of days present by 365 gives the years. Here this is a function. See, as you can see, there are only six columns in the first one and there are seven columns present in the employee table. Okay, see name, age, salary, department, hire date. Now based on the hire date, the experience column is added. Experience, new experience different. Now, as you can see, the data here is you, you can see that the data here is modified here. But if you want to change the original data, you have to create df. You have using the write dot mode of override. Here, override is given such that if there exists a data that will be overwritten by by this table data. Now, if we see employee group, wait a minute. This one is created. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, actually, in previously the employee group is consists of only three rows. Where I have created an employee group and where I have only given the three rows. As I have given the overwrite option, this table is now overwritten there. Now, as you can see, the employee group contains the same data. Through this, we can see that there is an establishment of connection between the Colab and Snowflake using the SnowPark API, and there are some updation and modification of data using Python and Java codes. Thank you.